The Realme X2 Pro is in the house. This is the first flagship grade phone made by Realme, and given its crazy specs, I think Realme has hit it out of the park. So let's unbox this phone and see how good this phone actually is. Okay, as soon as you open the box, you get this mini box that has the documentation and this case. This is a soft transparent TPU case with a darker shade, which means it won't turn yellow easily unlike fully transparent cases, which is a good thing. We'll check out the case in more detail later. Next is the phone itself. I have the Neptune Blue color. It is also available in Lunar White as well as Red Brick and Concrete special editions. Let's keep this phone to the side and see what else is in the box. Here is the USB Type A to Type C cable with yellow accents. Here is the SIM ejector tool as well. And here is the massive 50-watt charger. This is currently the fastest phone charger in India and one of the biggest selling points of this phone, as it can fully charge this phone in less than 35 minutes, which is just mind-blowing. Coming back to the phone itself, let's start this phone while I give you a physical overview. In terms of size, it is a big phone, but with less than 9mm thickness and less than 200 grams of weight, this size is manageable and the curved glass back definitely helps making it feel more comfortable to hold. On the back, you get this quad camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary camera, 13MP 2x telephoto camera with 5x lossless hybrid zoom, an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera with 115° field of view, which can also take super macro shots, and a 2MP depth sensor. This camera setup is protected by sapphire glass, which is much more durable than Gorilla Glass. You also get a dual LED flash as well as this Realme branding, but I'm not a big fan of its placement. NFC is placed here and this back is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. On the right side, you get this power button as well as this dual SIM tray, which doesn't have a micro SD slot. However, this SIM tray has this rubber gasket, indicating that the phone might be splash resistant. On the left, you get the volume buttons. The top only houses the secondary noise cancellation mic, while the bottom houses the USB Type-C port, primary speaker grill, a 3.5mm audio jack, as well as the primary microphone. The front is dominated by this massive 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a small dewdrop notch. This is an incredible display as it has 90Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits of brightness as well as HDR10+ certification. The dewdrop notch houses this 16MP selfie camera. The earpiece is placed above it and doubles as a secondary speaker. This entire front is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and a pre-applied plastic screen protector. Now let's talk about the internals. In terms of battery, you get 4000 mAh battery capacity in total, as there are two batteries of 2000 mAh each. In terms of processing power, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is the fastest Android chipset in the market. There is also 128 or 256GB of super fast UFS 3.0 storage and 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In terms of connectivity, you get 4G LTE, dual Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth 5, NFC and GPS. When it comes to biometric security, there is face unlock as well as an optical under-display fingerprint scanner. Now that the phone has booted up, let's talk about the software experience. This phone comes with ColorOS 6.1 based on Android 9 Pie out of the box. This is the list of apps that come pre-installed. And this is the amount of free storage out of the box in the 128GB variant. Now, let's put this phone in the case provided and check it out. So this case provides a generous amount of screen protection as well as a decent amount of camera protection. It also has this USB port protector, which may or may not be to your liking. It is a good quality case and it will protect your phone against scratches as well as small accidental drops. Overall, for the starting price of Rs 29,999, this phone provides a lot of features and great value. Its closest competition in terms of pricing is the Redmi K20 Pro, and in terms of features is the OnePlus 7T. I'll be making a detailed comparison between these three phones very soon, so stay subscribed to the channel and hit the bell for all notifications. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.